In this video, I'm gonna give you 10 amazing business ideas that you can start tomorrow with very low investment or no money at all. Coming up. What's up you guys? My name is Rahim and welcome to Bazz Business. If this is your first time here and you want to learn all the different ways to build a business and generate your source of income, consider subscribing and don't forget to hit the bell notification so you don't miss anything. So before we dive in, let me tell you this. First of all, some of the business ideas that I'm going to talk about require nothing more than your internet connection. Secondly, remember, it's a small business, meaning you don't need a lot of money to start. So take action as soon as possible. Finally, all I ask in return is a little thumbs up down there. Click on it and let's get started. Number 10. Go start a blog. This is one of my favorite businesses. Blogs are great because you don't need to be tied to an office or do it during normal working hours. You can work remotely, earn passive income, and work on your own schedule. You may put in 20 hours per week working on a blog, but it's definitely working for you 24/7. The reason starting a blog is one of the best low-cost business ideas is that with a blog, you are not trading time for money, your income becomes passive, and of course, everyone likes passive income. The cost of starting a blog is super low. Hosting can be less than the cost of Starbucks coffee each month. Blog overhead is also really low, as it's mostly you, your laptop, and your desk. So starting a blog is a great idea if you want to have more autonomy with your time, like the idea of being able to work remotely and on your own schedule. It's a great business idea with low investment needed upfront that has high income potential in the future. Number 9. Online courses. There has never been a better time to build a business selling online courses. In 2017, the global market for online education reached an enormous $255 billion. And it shows no signs of slowing down. Millions of people are purchasing online courses inside and outside the traditional education system. So if you are good at something, teach others how they can do it themselves. It's simple as that. Decide what to teach, validate the market demand, see if there is a demand to the topic you choose, then create your course. But remember, if you can't find buyers before you create your course, you probably won't find any after either, so don't waste your time. Number 8. Personal chef. So if you are in love with cooking, personal chef business is a perfect way to earn your living. Day by day, people get so busy that cooking cannot fit in their schedules. As a result, the demand of personal chefs increases. For you, it's a perfect opportunity to earn with the help of your hobby. The main clients you can rely on are business owners, especially those handling their work from home. However, there are also large and busy families, small parties, and service for special events. And the advantage of this business is it's one of the lowest startup costs. You can always use your own home kitchen, supplies and equipment for pre-cooked orders. Or you can ask your client if you can use their kitchen. As a rule, they won't mind. The second advantage is you don't have to work 24/7. This type of activity requires as much free space as you have. You can even do it part-time. Business idea number 7. Affiliate marketing. One of the fastest and easiest ways to make money online is by starting an affiliate marketing business. Even if you have an existing business, affiliate marketing is one of the easiest ways to add an existing income stream to your business, because it allows you to make money online even if you don't have a blog, website, or any products of your own. Following a few simple steps can get you up and running within hours and earning your first commissions right away. We will get to more details on these steps in the upcoming videos, so subscribe if you didn't already. So your main task will always be traffic generation, meaning you drive prospects to the merchant website via your unique affiliate link. And if they buy the product or service, you get a commission. A bonus tip: consider selling digital information products as an affiliate because they often offer much higher commissions than physical products. Business number 6. Sports coaching. Are you an outdoor person? Do you love sports and have a passion for coaching? Do you want to be your own boss and be in control of your own destiny? If you are currently nodding your head in agreement, then this business is for you. As a sports coach, you will help people participating in sports to work towards achieving their full potential. If it's in the gym, for example, helping people, young or adults, to lose weight or to gain more muscles will be your main task. You can work on one-on-one, groups, or both. Business idea number 5, social media marketing. So everyone knows that social media has become a vital part of online marketing activities for all types of businesses, big and small. The problem is that the services and techniques change frequently, and many small business owners simply don't have the time or experience to keep up with it all. In fact, with new social platforms popping up on a regular basis, staying up to speed on the social media marketing realm often takes a significant amount of time that might be much better spent on business generating activities. So all you have to do is find a local business that don't specialize in marketing and you do their marketing for them. Restaurants, dentists, lawyers, insurance companies, all these businesses focus on what they do best, but they are not specialists when it comes to actual digital marketing. That's why you will do it for them, and generally they pay you a lot, starting from $1,000 minimum per client. So you have at least $4,000 working with just 5 clients, and by time you can grow this business and hire employees so you can work with more clients. Business idea number 4, senior helper. Many seniors who want to age in place can use the help of a responsible adult to check in them during the day, to make sure they are eating, opening their mail, and generally doing okay living on their own. This is especially true when friends or family don't live nearby. For example, you work for an older person. You would bring in his mail and help him go through it, make sure he's taking his medications and he had plenty of groceries. You would also oversee any type of home repairs he might need and help him set in doctor or other appointments as needed. There are several websites who post ads for this type of work, like care.com, and this requires almost no overhead or startup costs. You could work with multiple clients per week on various days with flexible hours. Business idea number 3, dog walking. Dogs. You love them, and you have a way with them. What better way to combine your passion for dogs with your career than starting a dog walking business? Whether your goal is to supplement your income or set a new career path entirely, dog walking is a rewarding and dynamic profession. If you enjoy the company of dogs and you are ready to be your own boss, owning a dog walking business could be the change you are looking for. Most of your days will be similar in nature. You will pick up your chargers, take them for a walk, and drop them back off at home. In addition to walking dogs, there are a number of administrative duties you will need to attend to each day. Once your business has grown, you will want to consider hiring someone to handle the office duties. Anyone that owns a dog and works outside of the home regularly stands to benefit from your service. Your ideal customer, however, is the customer who is concerned for his or her animal being left alone and who has the means to pay you for your services on a regular basis. Dog workers generally get $20 per hour per dog, and many of them are walking 3 to 6 dogs at a time. It seems like a no-brainer for someone who loves animals and being outdoors. Dog walking is a business with low investment. Business idea number 2, personal organizer. Are you a highly organized person who knows where everything goes and enjoys taking the system you have created? If you are, and you are also interested in helping others reach the same level of organization, starting a small business as a professional organizer may be an excellent business idea for you. Professional organizers can work with many types of people and businesses to help the clean out clutter, get organized, and create a system for managing it going forward. You can work with individuals in their homes, home-based business owners, and traditional companies as well. The best clients for a professional organizing business are people who lack the skills to get and stay organized, those who don't have the time to stay organized, or individuals who hate to organize on their own. You can charge clients by the hour, or per day, or per task basis. The growth potential for this type of business is very good due to the increasing demands on people from work. The job of a professional organizer is still quite new and the market is not yet saturated. 10 and last business idea is tester or reviewer. Did you know that you can actually get paid to test products at home? Product testing can be both fun and rewarding. As crazy as it sounds, product testing is a real thing. Sometimes company will even go as far as shipping you a physical test product for you to use and enjoy. The concept is similar to that of taking paid online surveys, except there is usually one big difference. At the end of the testing period, they will often let you keep the product or service for free. Companies will only do this because they need the information to make improvements before they can push the product to market. The thing is, companies pay differently. Some pay in cash, others pay you with the products you are going to test, and some pay you with both cash and kind. Once the product is sent and tested, it's yours to give away or sell online. The best way to get started is to register for several sites that offer paid product testing jigs. Once you finish the registration, you will submit your thoughts in exchange for cash or the opportunity to keep the product for free. So, which business idea works best for you? And what are some business ideas that you have tried? Leave a comment down below. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.